Hello everyone, in this video I will explain about documentation techniques in accounting information system. My name is Bene Stefano Shiriko, my NPM is 244120009. So enjoy the video. Summary of the definition of executive documentation techniques. Documentation techniques are methods used to describe a system, particularly an accounting information system, in visual form, such as a diagram or chart. The goal is to ensure that the process flow, data, and activities within the system are easily understood by all parties, both management and system users. Objectiveness of documentation techniques make it easier to understand the system as a communication tool, assisting with analysis and evaluation support internal control. System documentation serves several important purposes, helping users understand the existing system, serving as a communication tool between departments and facilitating system analysis and evaluation. Furthermore, documentation also plays a role in supporting a company's internal controls. Benefits of documentation techniques: reduce errors, increase efficiency, make training easier, facilitate system development. Good documentation can minimize errors in work process. Furthermore, documentation helps improve work efficiency by ensuring clear system flows. Documentation also facilitates the training of new employees and servers as a foundation for future system development. Types of documentation techniques. A. Flowchart. Flowchart are the most commonly used documentation technique. They visualize process flow using specific symbols such as process, decision, and input or output. Flowchart help users understand the system flow more easily. B. Data flow diagram, or we say DFD. A DFD is used to show how data flows within a system. This diagram displays the relationship between process and data and external entities. DFDs focus more on data flow than on technical details of the process. C. Document flowchart. A document flowchart illustrates how documents move from one part of an organization to another. The technique is crucial in accounting system because it directly relates to transaction evidence. D. System flowchart. A system flowchart provides a comprehensive overview of how a system works. It combines process flow and data flow, providing a more complete understanding. Symbol in documentation: oval is beginning or end, parallelogram is input or output, diamond cut is result, arrow is flow. In documentation techniques, there are standard symbols used to describe processes. For example, an oval represents the beginning or end, a rectangle represents a process, and a diamond represents a decision. These symbols are used to make the diagram easier to understand. The role of documentation techniques is ACE, facilitate system analysis, assisting in the design of new system, support internal control, be the basis of system audit. Documentation techniques play a crucial role in ACE, particularly in the analysis and design process. Documentation also aids internal control and serve as a reference in system audits, ensuring the system operates smoothly and according to procedures. Application example: sales process, order received, item shipped, invoice create and payment received. For example, in a sales process, our flowchart can be used to illustrate the flow from customer order to payment. This documentation allows a company to ensure that each stage is executed correctly. Advantage and disadvantage of documentation techniques. Advantage: easy to understand, visual and systematic. Disadvantage: takes time, can be complex if the system is large. Documentation techniques have advantages such as being easy to understand and providing a clear visual representation. However, the disadvantages are that they are time consuming to create and can become complex if the system being documented in is large. So the conclusion, documentation techniques are a crucial part of an accounting information system. With good documentation, companies can understand, develop, and control the system more effectively. So, thank you for watching and see you next in the video. Goodbye.